We're cooking inside today, but we're doing potatoes, corn, bell pepper, onions, Old Bay seasoning, and some Tony Chachiros, however you want to pronounce that, more spice, Creole seasoning. We've got shrimp thawing in the sink. Ralph Man's outdoors. We're actually indoors today. Susan loves shrimp, and so I'm doing a shrimp boil in here in the house. We've got the ingredients all set out and ready to go, so we're about to get cooking. Not on the Blackstone, but on the kitchen oven or kitchen stove top. So let's go. We've got water starting to boil, so it's time for a shrimp boil. We've got the corn cut, the potatoes cut, onions we quartered, and we sliced up the bell peppers. So the pot is boiling and we're going in. We're going to go in with the potatoes and the corn first because they will take the longest to cook. Be careful. Oh, look at all that steam right there. You can hardly see it. But don't burn yourself as you drop these in. Same thing with the potatoes. We've got the potatoes going in. A little splash back there. Then we'll get our seasoning in and let these cook for a little bit. Shrimp will be the last thing to go in. Let's add the Old Bay seasoning. I want to get it in there good so that it seasons up the potatoes and the corn. We're also adding the Tony's. This is more spice. We want that boiled water seasoned up good. And now we'll add the onions and the bell peppers. We'll let that go until the potatoes and corn are about done, and then we'll add the shrimp. Now it's time to peel the shrimp. We've got the other cooking. We're going to save the peelings. It's either going in the compost or going to the chickens. Potatoes and corn are done. It's time for the shrimp. Oftentimes I will let the shrimp go for about 3 minutes. Normally that's unpeeled. But I peeled these, so I'm going to let them go for about 2.5, and I'm going to pull them off of the burner. Boiling stopped a little bit because they were cool, but let's let it cook. I powered off, moved it over here, so let's put it into a colander and plate it up. That looks pretty good. Susan's salt and peppering hers. It looks good, smells good. Let's give it a try. Shrimp's good. Not overcooked. I'm glad I only cooked it about 2 minutes. Potatoes. Hot, but good. Let's have a little corn. That's hot too, but very tender. Well cooked. We're going to enjoy the meal. Till next time, God bless. Just as a quick FYI, I typically don't peel the shrimp for a shrimp boil, but Susan loves her some shrimp, and I love me some Susan, so I did that tonight for her.